Yana here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, thanks for coming in and tuning in to watch what we've got good for you today. So today we are going to be making a fan for homecoming season. So if you have a junior or senior or high schooler that is wanting to run for homecoming king or queen, then stay tuned to this. This is also going to be great for you all that sell items. All right, so let's go ahead and get right on into this. We want to go into, of course, we're in Canva. We want to go into custom size. And I'm going to use the standard sheet of paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inch. Okay, so once this comes up, we're going to start with our blank canvas. First thing I want to do is go ahead and bring in our subject of the day, and I am using AI characters, or AI designs. So this is going to be my high schooler that is running for homecoming. So as you can see, part of her hair is cut off. So I'm going to go into edit, and I'm going to see if they can generate me some extra hair. So we're going to make sure that it's in freestyle. I'm sorry, I wanted to crop. I was talking. I wanted to crop. Then I'm free forming it, and I'm just going to go up and up just enough for them to add some hair. Okay, it created a couple different options. All of them are still trying to continue it on up to the top, which I'm not liking. Like, they're trying to give her some really big hair, and I don't like that. But we're going to go with this one just because it's trying to finish it up. Okay, so now that I have her there, I want to remove the background. You always want to extend your image before you crop your image. Extend your image before you remove the background, because if you go in and crop and let the AI adjuster do its thing, then it's going to add a background on. All right, so we have our homecoming runner on here, and now we want to figure out what we want to say. Of course, we want it to be a vote for me, but we want to bring in some things. Let's do a star, because we're going to make it seem like she's a movie star type of girl. And maybe tilt and adjust it to where you can tell that it's a star behind her. Then I'm going to use this star. Sorry about that. Then I'm going to use this star, and I want to put it right here. And I'm going to put some words in here, okay? But I want this star to be, let's see, we'll make this star black for now, and I may be changing that as well. Next thing I want is a banner. Okay, so here we go. I have my star, and then I have a banner here where I can put some information or what I want things to say. Going to position these. I think I want this one behind that one. Okay, so let me get rid of this one in the back because I believe I'm going to put this one behind this, and this will kind of be more of what I'm looking for. Actually, those rounded edges I'm not liking. Let's see. Okay, so we want the colors to be um, black, gold, and white. We're going to say that those are the school colors and we're sticking with them. So I'm going to pull right from the star colors that you see here. So our darkest color will be that one. And then our next to darkest will be that one. And then our lightest color is that one. And there we have it. It all matches. It's all in sync. Now I'm going to bring this star back. I wasn't sure where I was going to place it when I first brought it in. But now I'm thinking it should be right there. And I may move it again. We will see. Now let's see. We're going to put a border around. Big. All right, so we have the stars and everything because she is our a movie star student. And then maybe we want to put like a mascot. I'm making this all up, but let's see if we can get a mascot. Um, okay, so I just found this eagle and it's already in the colors. As you can see, I could change the colors, but it is like perfect. So I'm going to put him right here on the side. And we're kind of just building this up. Now, we're going to work on some text. Work on some text. So I'm going to press T for text. And I like to get them all out here first before I do anything as far as finding my fonts. It makes it a little easier to see what my words are going to be and then how fancy I want them. Now, I know for a fact that I want the name to be in a cursive or a fancy font. I may have to rotate my star. Yes, because I don't want it to overlap onto there. And it may still. Let's see, I can make him smaller. Okay, and then queen. I want queen to be big just like it is. All right, so we got a vote for Kim, homecoming queen. Now we just got to make these really pop. So we're going to go And I'm going to go with outline first and see what we do. Now, if I make the outline black, that's nice, but I wonder, is that black? Yeah. That's nice. And then we do the same thing with homecoming. And then, I don't know, I feel like I want to see if I can still find a fancier font, so bear with me. Okay, so here we go. We have Vote for Kim, Homecoming Queen. Okay, now I want to put all of this together. I'm going to group it and center it on our page here. Now that I have this here, you can now take the design to your Cricut or your Silhouette, or of course you can just print and hand cut. This is what it looks like all cut. I used my Cricut to do so, and I simply glued one of the long popsicle sticks to the back. Now, when it comes to this, if you are interested on how I use my Cricut to do so, you can watch the video to your left. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.